propagating your ZZ plants. So it's very easy. Either you can cut the petiole at the bottom and put it in water, or you can cut these stems, I mean these smaller, like thinner petioles below the leaves, and put it in water. But the issue here is, it's not an issue I would say, but the thing is that this way of propagating is very, very slow. It will take like months and maybe years to have a really big plant growing. But I'll show you how to propagate by this method. And there's another method which is by the division of the plant. So for example, I was thinking to divide this plant, and what I'll do is I will just break up at the rhizome level and just separate the plant out and put it in a different pot. As you can see, there is no soil. All of them are roots. So this really needs a repotting at some point, maybe in a week or two. So now I have taken out all the soil to check if there are 2 or 3 rhizomes separate. So these are rhizomes, if you see, rock solid, and this is actually the stem of the plant. Since this is one whole rhizome, I don't think so there are different rhizomes here to make the division. So I'll just make a cut here with a simple knife. So this is the only way to divide the plant right now. You just have to make sure that we keep the petiole intact. Yep. Now we have divided the rhizome, and if you see, it has so much water inside, interestingly. So for this one, I'll prepare the potting soil. I'll take little bit of coco peat and some sand, a little bit of garden potting soil, not too much. Perlite. And a little bit of worm castings. Worm castings are basically slow release fertilizer, which should be good for this kind of plant. This is a reusable pot. I'll just put the stones. Yep. So this is my propagated ZZ. So this is another way of propagation by cutting the leaves. So what I'll do is I'll cut it from here, not the overall. So when we put it in soil, we should put this one below. So this I can have actually as many as these twin leaves. So this is one, but we have to make sure that the bottom goes at the bottom. So we take this one. I'll place it this way so that I remember which is the bottom and which is the top. And this one. So as I mentioned, the bottom portion has to dip it in water. So as you can see, all the bottom portion of the stem or petiole is now submerged in water. but it will take time. So this is the slowest way of propagating. It might take a month or two to root, and we have to keep on changing the water like every week so that it doesn't get worms or any kind of insect inside. And we'll see, once it roots, we have to just take these and put it in the soil. But again, since this plant is a very slow growth plant, it will take a while to get a bigger one like this. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Happy gardening. Bye.